The United States and China have agreed to reduce tariffs, many hoping this is a cool down in the trade war. 22 News reporter Claire Overton joins us live in studio with what this means for local consumers.
Ciara, the White House announced this morning that an agreement has been reached between the U.S. and China surrounding tariffs, and we have already seen the impact.
When you see the stock market get enthused the way it is today, that usually means there's really good news.
And it is good news. The United States and China have reached an agreement to reduce tariffs for 90 days, reducing tariffs by 115%. U.S. tariffs on Chinese imports dropped from 145% to 30%, 20% for China failing to curb the fentanyl flow, and 10% a universal tariff. China reducing their tariff on U.S. imports from 125% to 10%.
It's really exciting news for the stock market, but they're not quite sure yet, whether it's going to be real. So there's let's jump in, but let's make sure it's real.
Wall Street closing in the positives. The Nasdaq up 4.35%, Dow Jones 2.81%, and S&P 500 closing 3.26% higher. The stock market has seen an impact from the tariff agreement, but the bigger question is, will consumers see an impact?
A lot of the tariff acts, we're going to, things that we buy online that we have delivered to our house, we're going to have tariffs on them, and it was going to definitely increase the price. So this will bring things back to normal, maybe even drop prices a little bit.
This agreement sets up the possibility of conversations with other countries.
I think the one thing that we should all recognize is that we can achieve peace through commerce. When you're trading with other countries, it's hard to go to war with them. So this is another sign, I think, that the more we reach out and do business with people around the world, the less tension there'll be in the world.
Details are still being released about what is and is not included in the agreement. However, when addressing the press Monday morning, President Trump said the agreement doesn't include tariffs on cars, steel, aluminum, or pharmaceuticals.
Even though the tariffs dropped 115%, they still remain far higher than before President Trump began his second term. Working for you, Claire Overton, 22 News.